All right, so we talked about this when we did our Zoom the other day. I'm going to go over the worksheet itself. So usually we tend to think of the subject being first and the verb later, but that's not always the case. So on this one, we're going to look, make sure you're asking your questions and looking for the actual subject and verb, not going with where you think it should be located, okay? So we're going to underline the subject once and the verbs twice. So if we look at number 1 here, on and on through the night rode the messenger. You should be looking for the action, which is rode. That's my verb. I'm going to underline it twice. And then who or what rode? Hopefully you said messenger. That's your subject. Underline it once. Number 2, in the cockpit, the pilot checked the instruments. Okay, we're looking for the action, just checked. Now, who or what checked? Pilot. And that's what that one is. Okay, number 3, over the bridge glided the sleigh. Your verb is glided. Who or what glided? Sleigh. So that's that one. Number 4, in the garden, the onions and tomatoes sprouted among the other vegetables. So we have sprouted as our verb, and then who or what sprouted? You have tomatoes and onions as our subject there. It has a compound subject. Number 5, before us loomed a range of high mountains. Okay, hopefully you have your verb, right? Loomed. What loomed? Mountains. Okay. Number 6, above the horizon floated the parachute. Okay, so what's your verb? Floated. What floated? Parachute. Okay. Number 7, on a large lily pad, a green frog caught insects. What's your verb? Right, caught. Who or what caught? Frog. Number 8, several photographs and candles were on the mantle. Where is the verb? What were? Candles, photographs. Very good. Number 9, through the hollow log ran a chipmunk. Okay, ran is your verb. What? Who or what ran? Chipmunk. Okay, number 10, in the distance we could see a bright yellow car. Okay, your verb is could see. Okay, and then your subject, who or what could see? We. Okay, go ahead and do the rest of them. Just ask your questions, look for your action, and then say who or what did that. Okay, go ahead and annotate that in Cami and then turn it in. Let me know if you have questions.